Hold it right there. Perfect. All right, let's get this open.
The depth of these follicles is excellent.
Agreed, the finish here is superb.
Check the consistency on this section though.
Did the reader register that skin?
Yes, showing green on the manifest. Ready for the next tag.
This one has inconsistent thickness, moving it to utility.
Check the follicle pattern on this blue tag.
We are still behind quota for the hour.
Precision industrial scales measure each skin's weight to 0.1 gram accuracy. A laser system projects grid lines to calculate surface area.
Temperature holding steady at 30, and the pH is stable at 7.2. Flow rate looks good.
Did you log the new shipment?
Yes, row 12, units are secure.
The hides are carefully transferred through the tanks, ensuring the pH shifts precisely from 8.5
Check the tension on the left side. Looks good, aligned with the laser guide. Locking it down now.
Look at that finish, absolutely smooth.
Yeah, the flesh side looks great. The micrometers are stable.
The fat liquoring process uses specialized oils and waxes to ensure suppleness. Workers then check
The hydraulic presses ensure consistent pressure, refining the distinctive ostrich quill pattern for a uniform.
See this spot here under the UV, it fluoresces slightly different.
Yes, the consistency is off. We should mark this section for rejection.
Adjustable guides ensure consistent bevel angles, preserving the distinctive ostrich texture while preparing the edges for folding. Components requiring reinforcement receive backing material application in a lamination station. Thin leather
Gusset day panels that provide the handbag's depth are carefully aligned and stitched to both sides. Latina workers.
This decorative top stitching, precisely 5 millimeters from the edge, highlights the unique texture of the ostrich leather.
Handles are positioned symmetrically using laser alignment guides. The attachment area is stitched in box and X patterns for The lining assemblies are inspected for stitching quality, straight seams, and functional zippers.
Handbags are stuffed with acid-free tissue paper, maintaining shape during storage and transport. The tissue fills the
soft cotton flannel protects the ostrich leather from scratches and light exposure during storage.
Laser engravers etch unique identification codes, linking the bag to our blockchain tracking system. Authentication card.
shrink wrap prevents tampering and protects during shipping. Heat tunnels activate the film, creating tight, clear coverage.
Wrapped boxes are scanned and assigned storage locations in the climate-controlled warehouse. Temperature. Order fulfillment begins when retail or online orders are received and processed by the warehouse management system. Shipping labels with destination information, tracking numbers, and handling instructions are printed and applied to cartons.
We take immense pride in the meticulous detail of our craftsmanship. Each ostrich leather handbag is a testament to enduring quality and style. The material utilization percentages look good. We've optimized the process, bringing the $200 input to $10,000 at output.
Sustainability initiatives are visible at the facility, including leather scrap collection systems.
Focus on the quill pattern here. This inconsistency indicates too much tension.
I see, so ease the pressure slightly.
Exactly. That ensures the grain remains uniform.
Look at how vibrant this burgundy finish turned out.
And the durability tests show remarkable results against UV aging.